Okay, everybody. So welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. We have another video, a tutorial on using CARRD today. It's the 30th of November, 2022. A quick aside, I do have a new cohort for those of you who are building a CARRD-based home-based business or design studio, or want to sell services to the public or professionals in your local community. If you're interested in joining that, you can click on the link in the a description box below if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're part of our community, simply leave a comment within the community and I'll send you some details to that cohort directly. All right, so a couple folks have asked a really simple question that's actually something I've never covered before, but I'm going to show you how to kind of start a card again if you're like making edits to it and you screw some things up or you're unhappy with the direction that it's going. There's a really simple kind of fix for that, for lack of the right word, and I'm going to show you how to screw something up and then fix it so that it's not a big deal. All right, this is something that to me is pretty obvious, I should say, or nothing I've thought of doing a video on before, but two people have asked just in the last day, so I'm going to do it. All right, so here I'm going to make an edit to this background that's going to look terrible, and then we're going to show you how to remedy that very quickly. All right, so we're going to pick, I don't know, this one here. Let's pick this one here. So we're changing the site background to this, and we're going to hit done. And as you can see, this looks like shit. You can't really read the text. Of course, I could go through all this and make edits to all the the darker text to like a lighter color text, and simply find myself wasting a whole shit ton of time on a needless task, which we don't want to do. So if I hit save here, this would actually save this template with this wrong background. But what I can do instead is actually, you know what, let's do a couple other things as well. All right, so we're going to change the text to some gibberish here. We can change, let's say, the courses link, which now goes to our Mindful Marketplace community. All right, so again, ostensibly, this is for those of you who are finding yourself doing a lot of work on a card and then realizing that you just don't like it or you screwed some things up. And before you save it, all you have to do is go to this drop down and you go to start over, and all your changes are not preserved. And as you'll see, everything is back to the way it was. The text is the same, the background is the same, etc., etc. And you don't even have to save anything because the initial landing page as it was before you started editing it is in full view. Okie doke. Hopefully that's helpful for those of you who have been questioning how to ensure you don't screw up your projects or your templates. And again, it's simply by clicking on the hamburger style menu and then choosing the start over icon or text, and you're good to go. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you as always so much for watching. If you have questions about any of this, feel free to ask. Thanks.